High Performance Systems here with another case study. This job was for a training facility for the local steam fitters in Warren, New Jersey. The flooring of this space was getting very old. The linoleum was scuffed, stained, and worn down. The facility was in desperate need of new flooring. Their facility sees light foot traffic from group tours and visitors. After discussing it with them and showing them their options, we agreed that a decorative flake flooring system was perfect for the space. The job started with us diamond grinding the entire surface to remove glue and to establish a mechanical profile where the tile was. The flooring space had 3 different materials: tile, concrete, and VCT, and we took the precautions to properly grind each section. After we hand ground all the edges at the wall-to-floor joints, we vacuumed the entire space and solvent wiped it to remove any debris and dust. We pre-patched all depressions in the flooring, then applied the system base coat of Propoxy 100% solid industrial epoxy. Then we broadcasted the custom flake blend designed by the client. The next step was to apply the system grout coat using Propoxy. Before we applied the top coat, we did something special. This client mentioned the idea to overlay a company logo in the flooring system. They provided our design team with a digital version of the logo, and we went to a local print shop to get a 4-foot by 8-foot decal printed. We carefully laid it on the floor, making sure it was straight and flat to avoid any distortions in the image. Once the decal was in place, we applied our top coat of Prothane 100% solid aliphatic urethane. This top coat allowed for maximum abrasion and wear resistance, perfect for the foot traffic, and will protect the design in the floor for years to come. This client was very happy with their new flooring system, and we're very proud of how it came out. We always take great pride in our floors, but we love it when we can deliver a custom flooring system like this. These new floors look great, but they also offer long-term protection to the space. If you feel your museum, workspace, facility, or whatever else could use a custom decorative flooring system that offers long-term protection like this one, then our team is excited to talk to you. Call us at 800-928-7220 or visit us at highperformancesystems.com.